Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode between light and dark. Then we can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode settings, we can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, dark mode for third-party apps. And that's basically it for dark mode. Now let's go next, and right here we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between Vivid, Natural and Pro. And then we can enable or disable eye comfort mode. Also you can schedule it and select its effect between color and black and white. Then we can enable or disable nature true tone display, change font, size, weight and style, change display size, enable or disable image sharpener, video color boost, and auto rotate screen. Next, you can change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, and in the end we can change screen refresh rate. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.